Prajakta again. Today I am going to show you chair sun salutations. It means chair Surya Namaskara. And who can do this? People who have arthritis and sciatica, plus nowadays people who are working from home, all people can do this, and this is a wonderful variation. You can try it out anytime. So let's start our sun salutation. Stretch your hands up to the sky, hold it there, bend forward, 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 touch to the ground. Now while coming up, hold your right shin slowly and steady. Hold it up, arch your back, look up. If you can, try to pull your knee on your chest and touch your forehead only if you can. Put your right leg down. Now, again, stretch your hands up to the sky. Try to arch your back. Hands straight. Bring them forward, bend forward and touch the ground. Now, while coming up, lift up your left leg. Slowly and steady. Hold it. Arch your back. Exhale. If you can, bring your knee on your chest more and try to touch your forehead. Keep your leg down. Arch your back. Go down. Come again. Join your hands. Thank you so much.